Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and in today's video we're going to be making kidney stew. I'm sure you've seen kidneys, and specifically we're going to be using this beef kidney. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's usually fatty-ish, and where I buy mine, Sky Meat Shop, they clean it, and this is how I receive it, so I don't have to go through the struggle of cleaning it. I have some tomato paste, turmeric, I have cumin powder, I have those seasoning cubes, I have black pepper, I have some dark soy sauce, I have paprika, smoked paprika, I have some oil, salt, and then some vegetables that I'm going to be putting in because I don't really do plain meat. So I have some capsicums, onions, this mango, they're in season. It's going to be a snack while I film this video. A carrot and a lemon, and that's it. Let's just get into cutting this kidney. Now it's already clean. I wash it as a whole, but of course kidneys are known to be the filters of urine, and unlike people who say that the liver has like a lot of urine, kidneys really have urine. So you're going to have to clean it thoroughly well. And another thing that I love to do is removing the extra fat in the middle. Yes, it's already removed. They removed a chunk of it before they packed it because it's usually covered with some fat. But I also love to remove that remaining one so that I remain with those kidney beans that are like biteable sizes. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. Cut all the fat out and put it aside, and then stay with just the kidney flesh. So if you don't eat organ meat, I would also say that the kidney and the liver and the heart and the tongue are my favorites, and they are absolute, best options for a beginner to start with. Yeah, so if you're considering starting to eat organ meat, which is really good, a good source of so many nutrients that your body would require, yeah, this is a catch. Anyways, we're going to put it in a mixing bowl and put their salt, and then I'm going to pour in some warm water. It's not extremely hot and it's not lukewarm. It's warm. It's hot-ish. So I'm going to put it there until it's covered, and then I'll squeeze in lemon juice, 1 lemon, and mix it together and let it sit as I do the rest of the chopping of the vegetables. Basically, this is going to be seated there for about 30 minutes. Yeah, you're going to see the water, how it comes out later on. Anyways, we are growing, guys. We are almost hitting 10k subscribers, and it would be a great gift for Christmas and yeah, the new year, right? So if this is my first video you're watching, or you're returning viewer, but you've not yet subscribed, because apparently most of my viewers are not subscribed, please take this time to subscribe. Thank you. It really goes a long way, and it means a lot to me, and I appreciate it. Anyways, now we are on the stage of cooking, and I'm going to be using some little bit of vegetable oil, and then go in with my chopped onions. I chop them in these shapes because these ones don't burn out so quickly, like those small dices. Yeah, all I want is for them to caramelize, be soft and fragrant. Like, the heat brings out all that aroma in the onions when they do not cook up so quickly. So add in some garlic and saute it together and let it develop that good aroma. Our kidneys have been seated for about 30 minutes or 25, and you see all the things that have come out. The liquid is almost thick, so you pour it out and rinse it in clean water, and we are good to go. So it's about you. Whichever way you clean, some people put it in milk, whichever way you clean, really, it's up to you. But this one for me was perfect. You do try out this recipe and let me know, okay? Thank you. So I'm going to put it in my onions and garlic mixture, and then I will mix it together, season with salt, and cover it. I need it to cook gently on a medium flame so that it's tender, because when it's tender it lets loose, and when something gives up, it gives the best. Yeah, or it gives you chance to actually flourish. So anyways, I'm going to mix the salt into it. You need to make sure you be checking the seasoning. You don't put too much and don't put too little. Always be in check. And then I'm going to cover this on medium low heat and keep it on fire. This whole process took me about 1 hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes. So Yes, I know it's like 7 minutes video, but don't be rushing to serve uncooked stuff. I always say this. There are quick fixes and then there are meals that you prepare with love, and they do not just come in 2 minutes. Thank you. By the time all this water dries out and it's all nice, the onions are no longer visible, that goodness, the richness in this kidney comes out, you'll really need some patience. So I'm going to add in some tomato paste, and then I'm going to add in some stock. I had pre-cooked this beef stock. I'm so sorry guys, I've not been able to upload that video, but I'm going to work on it. There's something that happened when I filmed the past video, power went, so I couldn't, come up and finish it properly. I'm going to redo it. I use those spices that I told you: paprika, cumin, black pepper, the seasoning cube, and then I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and mix it together. Keep on adjusting the consistency. Some people would serve this at this stage, but for me, I have a family, as you know. I'm going to go on ahead and add in some vegetables. I have chopped carrots, I have red pepper, yellow pepper, and the green one, and then I'm just going to go in ahead and mix everything together. Make sure they are now friends, besties, before I bring them to a boil. Yeah, take them for a ride. Anyways, adding more stock, and stock is like one of those things that lifts some of the stews to another level, because it's already flavorful, it's already rich and nice. So when you add in plain water, it's going to work, yes, because you already have vegetables and all these other aromas you added. But if you have stock, it's going to take it to another level. Cook it on low heat for about 10 minutes to 15, and this is the result. The oil has separated. It's a bit on top, but it's not too much. So I'm going to mix it again and cook again for about like 5 minutes. Yeah, and then I'm good. This is how it looks after 5 minutes. The stew is a bit thick-ish, and I'm going to garnish with coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, because they give me this herby and fresh kick that I really love. But if you don't have them, it's really optional. You don't have to go through the stress, and nothing can stop reggae. You have to eat nice. Order your beef kidneys today. Try this recipe and tell me how it turns out. Now it's ready, and we're going to serve it. I don't know, what would you serve this with? I would have this with rice. I think I eat rice almost. Anyways, bye. I'll see you in my next video.